different forms of energy which we know. So the mechanical energy we are already knowing, which we have studied in this chapter. Apart from that, we have another forms of energy as well. So what are the different forms of energy? So first we have studied, which we have studied in this chapter, is mechanical energy. Okay, so first is mechanical energy. So these forces are appearing in mechanics. Okay, so mechanical energy. So mechanical energy is of two types. One is due to kinetic energy, that is due to motion, that is kinetic energy. Second is due to configuration or position, that is potential energy. So this is what this is the energy. This is the summation of kinetic energy and potential energy. This is the sum of kinetic energy and potential energy. Okay, so that we have already discussed in detail. Second, we can see electromagnetic energy. Electromagnetic energy. So what is this energy? This energy is the energy possessed by an electric or magnetic field. So at any point, if you have some charge, that charge produces a region around it. The region is called electric field region. Similarly, if you have a magnet, around the magnet we have magnetic region, so that is called magnetic field. So in that region there is some energy. Okay, so that energy is called magnetic energy, electromagnetic energy. Okay, so the energy contained in a electric or magnetic field is called electromagnetic energy. So energy contained in an electric or magnetic field, in an electric or magnetic field combined, they are taken always together. Magnetic field is called electromagnetic energy. Yes. So we will keep on writing example with each one. So first one example we can write. First one we can write example. The example which we can take is energy of a moving car. Okay. We can write energy of moving car. Energy of moving car. Okay. Here we can write energy around the magnet or energy of a capacitor. Capacitor, you do not know capacitor, but you can write. So energy around the magnet. Magnet or charge. Okay, that is called electromagnetic energy. Third, we can write as sound energy, light energy. There are various kind of energy. Sound energy. Okay, so energy possessed by sound wave. Energy possessed by sound wave. Energy possessed by sound wave. Then we can have light energy. Okay, so because of this energy we are able to hear some objects. Okay, so we hear something because of this energy. The hearing process involves this energy. Okay, then we have light energy. So what is light energy? So light energy is the energy possessed by electromagnetic wave, the light wave. Okay, so that is also a kind of electromagnetic energy. So energy possessed by light. Energy possessed by light. Okay, so if you have some suppose from sun, suppose some radiation is coming, so you feel some heating effect on your hand. If you put your hand or anything, you have some heating effect. So from where that heating is coming? So that radiation which is coming from sun, that is containing some energy. Okay, so because of that you will experience the heating. So energy possessed by, so light also possesses some energy. It is originally from electromagnetic energy. It is due to electromagnetic energy. So this energy is some form of electromagnetic energy due to electromagnetic energy. Okay. Then we have electric energy. Only electric energy, we say that energy uh, possessed by the moving charges in a wire. Electric energy, if we say only electric energy, the energy possessed by electrical energy we say, the energy possessed by the current carrying due to on charges while it is forming a current. Okay, so energy of charges in a current carrying wire, energy of charges in current carrying wire. Okay, then we have chemical energy. So what is chemical energy? What is this chemical energy? When a chemical bond breaks, some energy may be released. Okay, so that energy is what coming from the bonds of the molecules. Okay, so when some object is burnt, so whatever whatever energy is released, that is coming from the inside of the bonds. Okay, so this energy is called chemical energy. So the energy of bonds of molecules and atoms, energy of bonds of molecules and atoms, of molecules and atoms. Okay, so this is called what? Energy of bonds of molecules and atoms. So this is called chemical energy. Okay, so example is, so in cell, if you know the cell, different kind of cells we have, primary cell, secondary cell, you would have studied in your lower classes. So in those cells, the chemical energy is converted into electrical energy. So energy of a chemical, so suppose something is burning, example we can take, burning of a paper, burning of a paper releases chemical energy as heat. As heat. Okay, then we have heat energy.